on how to bring up this window inside a managed NX environment. So say you accidentally don't import that, or you put different files in that location. If I hit save again, you'll notice it says save unnecessary. One of the little tricks that I found out is that you could go in here, just click on any of these solutions, and I'm just pressing the F2 key on my keyboard. You see it tries to rename it. Then I just click with the left click in the middle of the screen, and now if I hit save, it'll bring up that dialog box. So that allows me to get these things as well. Okay, now the other thing that you can do is we'll just browse to this location. And say you have different files, maybe they were from an HPC run or somewhere else. I'm just going to grab, this file and drag it in here. And if you go ahead and hit save, right, nothing happens. If I hit F2, I click on the solution, hit F2 again, click in the screen, hit save, you'll see it's saved, but it didn't call that file. So one thing that is important here is this has to have a timestamp that is newer than this file. So what I would do is just, edit this file. In this case, I can just put a comment line or something in here, save it. This now that I have a newer date to it. If I go ahead and, do my same, click F2, click in the screen, hit save, now it's going to bring up that window and ask me to import it again. So that's my quick workaround for getting files into Teamcenter. They'll be stored under the simulation data set under the named reference then. If all else fails, you could always go to this named references and upload these files directly. But I think my little workaround method inside of NX should be a little bit better for you.